like you to introduce, that is Dr.
I,
Bhupendra Singh, who is the Associate Professor of the Psychology
yeah.
and the member in the bench of Magistrate CWC, and Buland Shah. Your topic is about the mental health and the higher education post-pandemic issues and the challenges. Over to you, sir.
Uh, First of all, thank you, Namita, and thank you, Jax Foundation, especially Mohini and Namita ji, those who were in contact with me from last 6-7 days. Thank you, Jax Foundation, Dr. Roshan Lal sir, my seniors, Professor Adisham ji, Chandrasekhar ji, Sunil Chaudhary sir, and today's Dr. Aruna Modak. She presented very beautifully and connected nutrition and food to heart. Dr. Hemanta also presented about life skills. I think my position is just like a crushed sugar cane that has been put again into the machine for a glass of juice. Now, for the last 2 days, and we are listening from various speakers about pandemic, mental health, and issues. So I'm thinking about I need to redefine my presentation. So let's begin. I will try, but try with some basic things of psychology and our daily life. So my first screen, Abdullah, what do you want, misery or blissfulness? Let's start with this, Abdullah. This is an excerpt taken from a book of Osho, Meditation, a Sufi mystic. His name was Abdullah. He remained very happy his whole life and he keep on laughing and laughing. And in his old age, when he was dying and he was on the deathbed, one of his disciples asked him that, Guruji, you are still enjoying your death. You are laughing hilariously. You always kept us puzzled the whole life. Just we wanted to know about the reason behind things. The old man said, it's a simple clue. When I was 17 and my guru was 70, I went and questions like you, he was the same person. He was laughing and laughing for no reason at all. There were nobody else, nothing happened, nobody crackled a joke, but he was simply laughing, holding his belly. So I just asked him whether are you mad or something, Guruji? But he said simply, one day even I was very sad like you, my child, and the thing happened that I came, enlightenment came to me. I got okay, this is it is my choice, it is my life. And since that every morning, this old mystic Abdullah, he before opening his eyes, he said to himself, Abdullah, what do you want? Misery or blissfulness? क्या चाहिए अब्दुल्ला? क्या तुम्हें कष्ट चाहिए, दुख चाहिए या आनंद चाहिए, सच्चिदानंद चाहिए? आज के लिए तुम्हारे पास में क्या है? और हमेशा ये मान करके चलिए, इट इज दैट आई ऑलवेज चूज ब्लिसफुलनेस. इट इज ए चॉइस. और जब हमारी समझ में ये चीज आ जाती है, इफ इट इज अ मैटर ऑफ चॉइस, तो हु वुड चूज मिजरी एंड व्हाई? बिकॉज इट इज वेरी अननेचुरल. And still, if one feels blissful in misery, then definitely he can go for misery. So now coming on the topic, COVID-19, definitely it has been declared a public health emergency, and even we are feeling as a psychologist. And it has made us experience the highest level of stress and distress. Why? Certain things, since I was working with these COVID patients and quarantine patients in my district, Bulandshahr and Meerut districts from the last month of April. So we came across certain feelings and I tried to just write down then why this pandemic or COVID-19 was a public health emergency and need to get ended. High sense of uncertainty prevailed about future in multiple life domains. Mood swings, emotional instability, aggressiveness. Suddenly people were aggressive, more aggressive, extremely frustrated. Their lifestyle and routine has been lost. They were feeling isolated. Gender identity, that's what dysfunctional. Being male members. When we are at home, we were in confinement and we were in isolation. We used to feel, being male members is doing utensils or house chores. Is it my job? So similarly, even females, they started feeling who are working females, oh no, this is, hopefully, we are not meant for this thing. Again, interpersonal trust. This has been put at stake and because of maintenance of social distancing. Clarity in thinking has been lowered to an extent, very much. Social introversion because of lesser social responsibilities. We begin to escape our social responsibilities. Earlier, even we used to find ways to not to go to any social programs or something like that. Even COVID has given certain reasons not to attend these social programs. We mean to be aloof. Again, a reduced sense of control over one's life situation, exaggerated concerns about things which are definitely they were petty, and anxiety of anxiety. Now, since this post-pandemic impact, my topic was on higher education and teaching, and how this post-pandemic or pandemic situation affected this teaching learning process. So first of all, we need to visualize the aim of higher education. I have taken these aims just in behavioral context. As we can see, the aim of higher education is to enable society to make progress through an understanding of itself and world. In short, to sustain a learning society. Dr. Radhakrishnan, again, he made certain recommendations.
Sir, your mic is on mute. Sir, your mic is on mute.
In the aims, again, report to people on education. This is something significant to people of psychology and counselors, that this report is stated that education provides strength and resilience. Again, these two things, those 2 points, strength and resilience, to enable people to respond to changing needs of the hour. COVID pandemic has entirely changed our lives. So this, we need to be more strengthened and resilient. This is what psychology and our seniors, they have been teaching us. It has to power to transform human beings to human resources. And again, in this process of development and transformation, our higher education has become even more globalized and internationalized. More specifically, educational institutions, again, from conventional academic bodies, they have turned into centers of excellence. Everybody started talking about excellence. Centers of excellence. They were not concerned with the principles and morals what Indian culture has. Again, with the introduction of ICT, higher education saw a paradigm change in philosophy and pedagogy, for which Indian student was still ill-equipped and less motivated. Then, when this pandemic COVID-19 came, higher education के अंदर treatment was prescribed, medicine was prescribed, and what it was? It was online classes, online assignments, online assessments, or even online practicals and PhD vivas. All these efforts in higher education were to keep pace with the time that elapsed during lockdown. No students, no classes, no peer discussions, but it was all without adequate arrangements, and confusion prevailed all over. And the teaching learning process was initiated haphazardly. We have to teach. Chalo bhai, start kar do. Whether we had resources or not, we started the process. Now, I've taken this pie diagram from Albert Mehrabian from University of California, who stated very clearly, stating about non-verbal communication. In personal communication, non-verbal communication is playing 93% part, while verbal communication is conveying only 7%, which we are conveying through our online teaching. The exact breakup, if we see, 30% tone of voice, 50% body language. Even in this online seminar, this summit, even participants or the beneficiaries, they are not able to see my body language or something like that. Only 7%. You can from the tone of voice, you can make it 7 to 17 even. But still, this non-verbal component comprises up to a whopping 93% of entire communication. इसको बताने के लिए एक छोटी सी कहावत है कि नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन को बताने के लिए इन अगेंस्ट वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन की चंद्रयान, लास्टली वी सेड आवर चंद्रयान टू इट्स ऑर्बिट, सैटेलाइट उसको भेजी थी, पूरा देश बैठ करके उसको देख रहा था। तो कोई शिक्षक शायद हजारों बार अपनी कक्षा में पहुंचा था। सम टीचर रीच्ड हिज क्लास a million of times. कोई पहुंचा होगा तभी जाकर के शायद ये चंद्रयान अपनी कक्षा में पहुंचा था। इट वाज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द चंद्रयान रीच्ड हिज क्लास। यही कम्युनिकेशन था। ये जो टीचर क्लास में जाता था, पूरा कन्वे कर रहा था मैसेज को, बिना टीचर के क्लास में जाए शायद चंद्रयान अपनी क्लास में नहीं पहुंचता। तो हेड्स ऑफ टू ऑल द टीचर्स इन्वॉल्व इन हायर एजुकेशन, और हमें कुछ ना कुछ व्यवस्था ऐसी देखनी पड़ेगी कि हम लोग इसको कंटिन्यू करें। ऑनलाइन टीचिंग एक मोड हो सकता है, बट इट इज नॉट द अल्टरनेटिव जो अब गवर्नमेंट की प्लानिंग चल रही है, पॉलिसीज चल रही है। अब कौन कौन से चैलेंजेस हैं दैट स्टूडेंट्स एंड टीचर्स आर प्रोबेबली they are facing, as they started facing, or post pandemically some later on in higher education, almost because since admission have started in almost all the universities and colleges. Again, high sense of uncertainty about academic and professional futures. Since time is short, I need not read out all the PPTs, but the major points are mood swings. हाँ, yes, in undertaking e-learning program, आज मेरा मन है या नहीं है मेरा मन, मैं सुनूंगा नहीं सुनूंगा, मैं कान में लीड लगा करके अपना बैठ करके अपना उसके ऊपर गेम खेल रहा हूँ। डायरेक्ट टच, कल्चर ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन जो था, रिवार्डिंग बोनस इज नो मोर फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स और द लर्नर्स। दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंट सिग्निफिकेंट थिंग। डायरेक्ट टच खत्म हो गया है। कल्चर ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन एक सिंपली पैट ऑन द बैक ऑफ द टीचर, वेरी गुड, तुमने अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन किया है, यू हैव प्रेजेंटेड वेरी वेल, रिवार्डिंग बोनस ये खत्म हो गया है। इंटरपर्सनल ट्रस्ट हैज कंप्लीटली लॉस्ट। Last में apprehensions about ongoing flood of programs like webinars, online training programs, क्या अटेंड करें यार, उसने तो 20 कर लिए, मैंने आज तक 2 भी नहीं करे, मैंने 4 भी नहीं करे। Quizzes, what is the relevance? Competitions, students have they started taking competitions and quiz online. कौन ले रहा है, कौन कर रहा है, whether any certified agencies are doing this? If certified agencies are doing this and they are doing it correctly, then it is okay. Otherwise, authenticity of the conducting bodies. Again, UGC and MHRD, they have kept their eyes closed on these things and they are too late in responding. Performance pressure from the authorities in universities, colleges, they have started building on both the teachers as well as the students. Teachers have to perform, teachers have to submit their online assignments, online lectures. Branding, branching, franchising of these institutions. क्या करना है, किस कोर्स में जाना है, ये चीजें और कैसे करना है, बहुत बड़ा एक क्वेश्चन मार्क हम लोग के सामने आ जाता है। इंपॉर्टेंट चीज, पॉजिटिव स्टूडेंट बिहेवियर विल गो अननोटिस्ड। यही सब सिनेरियो चलता रहा, तो पॉजिटिव स्टूडेंट बिहेवियर जो है ये डेफिनेटली अननोटिस्ड रहेगा और इट विल बी अ सेटबैक टू दीज स्टूडेंट्स। जस्ट वांट टू प्ले अ शॉर्ट फिल्म ऑफ 9 seconds ऑन दिस ऑनलाइन टीचिंग। क्या ये करने जा रही है, just you have to see without any communication. Yeah, this is the thing, this is something is happening with all our students and this education system. Now when situations are such, this is a famous quote from Rabi Hilal, if I am not for myself, who will be, and if I am only for myself, who am I? We need to rethink, we need to reframe our mental context, our social context and our personal context. निकलना पड़ेगा। Facilities are increasing and even mental complexities are increasing. Pandemic का भी solution है, सबका भी solution है, but we need to stand for ourselves and not even for ourselves but for our society itself. Mental health की बात है, mental health की बात हम लोग करते आ रहे हैं, तो I need not tell it again and again. WHO के definitions हैं, slides हैं। ये थोड़ा सा एक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स आई हैव हाईलाइटेड कि जो वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड का जो ह्यूमन लाइफ के डिफरेंट वॉक्स के अंदर है, जो चला आ रहा है, एलिनेशन एंड लोनलीनेस। हम एक कनेक्टेडनेस की बात यहाँ पे अनुमा मोदक मैम ने की थी। कनेक्टेड उन्होंने तो न्यूट्रिशन और फूड को हार्ट से कनेक्ट किया था, लाइफ स्किल से कनेक्ट किया था। तो देखिए वेरियस वॉक्स हैं, बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो, लर्निंग इंस्टीट्यूशन हो, मेडिकल का पार्ट हो, स्पोर्ट्स का पार्ट हो, कम्युनिटी हो, यहाँ पर सब जगह वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड ने रियलिटी से हमको अलग हटा करके एलिनेशन और लोनलीनेस का प्रॉब्लम दे हैव इंक्रीज्ड। इसी का परिणाम है कि ह्यूमन इंटरेस्ट हैज आल्सो शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम द नीड ऑफ एफिलिएशन एंड अचीवमेंट टू द नीड ऑफ पावर। अब ही नीड नॉट टू बी एफिलिएटेड और ही नीड नॉट एनी अचीवमेंट्स, बट ही नीड पावर एंड सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट। इंट्रोवर्ट अगेन इंट्रोवर्जन टेंडेंसी जो है वहां पे बढ़ गई है। लो टॉलरेंस सोसाइटी वहां पर हो गई है, इंडिविजुअलिस्टिक सोसाइटी हो गई है। टॉलरेंस की बात आई थिंक डॉक्टर हेमंता ने अपने लाइफ स्किल प्रेजेंटेशन की बात में की थी, बड़ा अच्छा पॉइंट उन्होंने वहां पे लिया था कि वी नीड टू इंक्रीज दिस टॉलरेंस इन सोसाइटी। सेलिगमैन की एक बात के साथ में, मेटेरियलिस्टिक और सैडिस्टिक वेज के अंदर दे हैव एग्जॉस्टेड द रूट्स टू जेन्युइन हैप्पीनेस। Instead of focusing on how things go wrong, we as a psychologist need to search and tell people how things go right. Definitely. कैसे हुआ भूल जाइए, कैसे सही करना है, we need to focus on those things. Seligman positive psychology के अंदर he has shared common vision of good life, what is called eudaimonic well-being. He recognized 3 components of happiness that included getting more pleasure out of life. कैसे लेना है? और being psychologists or teachers or mentors, तो लाइफ स्किल कोचेस भी बहुत सारे आ गए हैं, बट नॉट टू से मच अबाउट देम. क्या कर रहे हैं, कैसे कर रहे हैं, वी डोंट नो. पहला कंपोनेंट, गेटिंग मोर प्लेजर आउट ऑफ लाइफ. सेकेंडली, बिकमिंग मोर एंगेज्ड इन व्हाट यू डू एंड फाइंडिंग वेज मेकिंग योर लाइफ फीलिंग मोर मीनिंगफुल. जस्ट need to underline the intent to secure for every person inherent right to be a human. We need to keep this in mind. The inherent right to be a human is we need to protect this and enjoy a healthy and happy humanhood. We need to address the root causes that are negating the healthy growth and development of human being and to awaken the conscience of community in wider societal context to protect human from all forms of abuse, especially mental one, while strengthening not only the individual but family, society, and the nation. These 4 rights I've taken from National Commission of Protection of Child Rights, but here I think these fit suitably. We need to protect these survival rights and give these survival rights, developmental rights, and protection rights and participation rights to all human beings for his good mental health and well-being. Now, this slide I have taken from Publicis, published in Singapore in Good Samaritan Society. SSR का नाम चंद्रशेखर ने लिया, डॉक्टर चंद्रशेखर जी ने लिया. So this slide reads, I am fine. If am I audible, can I get a response? If you can see the slide?
Yes, sir.
What you can see on this slide?
Me fine.
What is written on this slide?
Me fine.
I am fine. Yeah, I am fine. It's okay. I'm fine. I'm fine means I am fine. Now, if we turn this upside down, if you are seeing it through a mobile, you can just turn your mobile upside down or your laptop for a while, or you can see, if you turn it upside down, you will see save me. If someone is saying I'm fine, then he need to be corrected and intervened, since in the deepest corner of his heart, somewhere, sometime he is feeling alone, alienated. He wants to say, save me. So we, as a human being, need to be connected, need to be strengthened, not just going by words, I am fine. No, I am not fine. He wants to say, save me. Then, Sigmund Freud, with the last quote of Sigmund Freud, the goal of psychology should be to replace neurotic misery with ordinary happiness. छोटी छोटी बातों को हम छोड़ते जा रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्या बड़ा हमको चाहिए, उस बड़े के चक्कर में we are feeling, we are getting neurotic and we are at misery, we are feeling miserable. We need to replace this neurotic misery with ordinary happiness. छोटी छोटी बातों के अंदर खुशी को ढूंढें. And with this, thank you. और एक once again thanks to Jax Foundation. और कल एक सुनीता मैम ने एक बात कही थी आप लोगों के लिए, खासकर शायद मोहिनी, नमिता, तान्या, आप लोगों के लिए थोड़ा सा प्रेजेंटेशन में कुछ गड़बड़ था या कुछ पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज को लेकर के उन्होंने कहा, आप लोगों को शायद डांट लगाई थी. तो मैं, सुनीता मैम यदि मेरी एक बात सुन रहे हो, नहीं सुन रहे हो, तो उन तक कन्वे कर दी जाए. एक बात को मैं कपलेट के माध्यम से कहना चाहूंगा. सुनीता मैम, कहते तो हो भले की लेकिन बुरी तरीके से, कहते तो हो भले की लेकिन बुरी तरीके से. तो मोहिनी, नमिता, हेड्स ऑफ टू योर एफर्ट कि आप लोगों ने इतना सुंदर प्रेजेंटेशन यहाँ पे कराया. और थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, sir, for enlightening us this much. You are, as you said, that always choose blissfulness. There is a one slide where it is written that सुविधा आती है and दुविधा जाती है. There is a slide where it is written. Yeah, it's such a great word which is written. Due to COVID-19, all our situation, the challenges, most probably students as well as teachers. There is a loss of interpersonal trust both within the teachers as well as students. Due to these presentations as well, there is a COVID-19. Due to this, the students are facing these challenges. And you said that छोटी छोटी बातों में खुशी ढूंढनी चाहिए. We all did so that we
बिल्कुल ये
remove
बात
the stress from our life.
बड़ी
Yeah. So that we can remove the stress. So thank you so much, sir, for these kind words, so that people will go through everything, that they will be kind in such situation, that they are depressed. People are depressed so much in these today's world. So because of that, they did suicide and everything. So thank you so much, sir, for these kind words. Thank